Katira in desi ghee. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like the video. Fry until golden brown. Add 1/2 poundful makane in desi ghee and fry them till golden brown. Kishmish saf kaya rahi hu. Mix them all and fry in desi ghee.
Water plus brown sugar.
Grind all the nuts into mixer. Roast suji half k and wheat flour 1.5 kilograms in desi ghee. Gone katira or full makane. Chamak cypress KRK is formed mainly iron. Nuts after grinding. Add nuts and gone katira plus full makane mixture into suji plus wheat flour. On low flame. Mix, mix, mix. Final look. Store this in storage boxes.
Thanks for watching.